Do you have any Bitcoin portfolio? If not, you might regret it. Here's why. Bitcoin is revolutionizing finance, redefining money, investments, and technology. Its market cap exceeds $500 billion as of 2024, outperforming every asset class with an average annual return of 230%. Beyond being just digital gold, Bitcoin's technology powers new ways to borrow, lend, trade, and own things online without banks or middlemen, including DeFi, Web3, and NFTs. For example, Bitcoin processed over $8 trillion in transactions in 2022 alone, showcasing its growing role as a global settlement network. In El Salvador, 70% of citizens without bank accounts can now make instant transactions using Bitcoin's Lightning Network. As traditional fiat currencies lose value due to inflation, e.g., USD lost 13% purchasing power since 2020, Bitcoin's capped supply of 21 million ensures scarcity and growing demand, making it a hedge against inflation. Owning Bitcoin isn't just about investing, it's about being part of the financial future.